Horses out, yep, kiss me. Pass to begin, head on Cho, Manila Magic, King Aljun, Golden Hurry, and Old Reliable is the early trailer. Kiss Me by about 3 lengths. Golden Harry now moving up to take second. In the middle, Head Honcho. Manila Magic is down on the inside and 4 lengths away in fifth. Comes King Aljun and Old Reliable is the early trailer. Kiss Me by about 2 lengths. Manila Magic now trying to get closer in second. And in third position, Head Honcho. Golden Harry now moving up to take third. Then followed by Old Reliable and King Aljun is racing in last. Meanwhile, we have Kiss Me by about 2 lengths. And in second still is Manila Magic. Golden Harry now trying to get closer in third. Head Honcho in fourth. Old Reliable and King Aljun. And still Kiss Me by about 3 lengths this time. Manila Magic still in second. And on the outside third, Golden Harry. King Aljun now moving up to take fourth. Head Honcho and Old Reliable as they come down at the last 200. Kiss Me by about 5 lengths now. Manila Magic in second, moving up King Aljun to take second, last 50 meters. And it's still Kiss Me by about 4 lengths. About King Aljun on the outside. Kiss Me, King Aljun is on the outside, but it's still Kiss Me, King Aljun. And finally, Kiss Me, King Aljun. Then comes Manila Magic.
Almost.
Almost, but not quite.
Almost.
Alam mo to si Denden.